Hello everyone, this is the Earth Archives. There is no need for difficult popular science knowledge here. Next, we will start a humorous journey through the solar system. The third stop after Mercury is Venus. What do we know or don't know? This time I use a humorous drama. I hope it will make everyone more interested. By the way, don't forget to leave a comment and share. Please also subscribe to this channel to watch the story of the world and the universe presented in a humorous way. Okay, let's get started. Greetings, celestial romantics and planetary peepers. Earth Archives here, ready to spill about Venus. The planet that's not just bright in the sky, but also the celestial runway model named after the goddess of love and beauty. Venus is basically the solar system's top supermodel, and it's strutting its stuff with elegance that even Earth is giving an appreciative nod. Let's talk nomenclature, my stargazing companions. Venus got its name from the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It's like the cosmic deities gathered around, saw this radiant beauty in the night sky, and decided, yeah, let's name it after the one who defines beauty in our celestial pantheon. Now, why Venus? Well, it's the Beyoncé of planets, the brightest in the sky. Venus is basically the celestial diva, saying, "Hey Earth, I'm going to light up the night." But the cosmic glam doesn't stop there. Most features on Venus's surface are named after female figures. It's like Venus is the solar system's homage to female power, with craters and mountains named after the celestial heroines who rock the planetary stage. Back in the day, when ancient astronomers were trying to make sense of the night sky, they thought Venus in the morning and Venus in the evening were two separate cosmic celebrities. But leave it to those Greek astronomers to step in and say, "Hold on, folks, it's the same dazzling beauty on a cosmic catwalk, just doing a wardrobe change." So picture the solar system as the ultimate VIP club, with planets flaunting their rings and satellites like interstellar bling. And then there's Venus, standing there like the lone star who didn't get the memo about accessorizing. It's the cosmic minimalist. If it doesn't spark joy, Venus is not keeping it around. Now, Venus isn't the only planet in this no ring, no satellite party. Mercury's there too, probably swapping stories about being the odd ones out. The ringless wonders, where they proudly declare, "Who needs rings and satellites when you've got the sun as your dance partner?" Researchers are wondering why Venus and Mercury decided to ditch the whole satellite and ring craze. It's like the sun said, "You can't sit with us," and the satellites had to find another planetary lunch table. Now here's the cosmic irony. Satellites are like the bouncers of the solar system's nightclub. They stabilize planets and protect them from cosmic troublemakers like rogue asteroids and comets. But Venus is like, "I've got this, thank you very much. I don't need a celestial babysitter." It's the planet that's chosen the minimalist lifestyle in a universe full of cosmic clutter. Venus, the solar system's hottest flame, the celestial habanero, the planet that makes Mercury look like a chilly ice cream cone in comparison. Venus is basically the solar system's personal hot yoga studio, and it's not handing out icy towels. Venus has decided to take the title of the hottest planet, leaving Mercury in its cosmic dust. With an average surface temperature of a scorching 462 degc, Venus is basically the solar system's summer vacation spot, if your idea of vacation involves spontaneously combusting. Meanwhile, ranging from a balmy 420 degc on the bright side to a frosty 176 degc on the dark side. It's like Mercury is playing the cosmic version of hot and cold, while Venus is just cranking up the heat and laughing. Now let's talk about Venus's secret sauce, the dense atmosphere. It's like Venus decided it needed a little extra something to boost those temperatures. With a whopping 96.5% carbon dioxide, Venus's atmosphere is basically the solar system's sauna, trapping heat like it's going out of style. It's the ultimate greenhouse effect. And Venus is the undisputed master of turning up the cosmic thermostat. But wait, there's more. Venus doesn't just let that heat sit in one place. It's like Venus is hosting the solar system's own wind and heat dance party. Here to unravel the cosmic conundrum that is Venus's wild rotation. Why follow the crowd when you can pirouette your way through the solar system? Now let's talk about rotations, my celestial ballerinas. Every planet in our cosmic ballet except Venus gracefully twirls counterclockwise. But then there's Venus, doing its own interpretive dance, spinning clockwise while the rest of the planets are waltzing counterclockwise. This quirky cosmic choreography had astronomers scratching their heads, trying to figure out why Venus decided to break ranks with the planetary dance squad. It's like Venus said, "I'm not like other planets. I've got my own cosmic moves." Picture the solar system as a dance floor, and Venus is doing the moonwalk while the other planets do the tango. The grand revelation came when astronomers realized that Venus was basically doing a cosmic handstand. Talk about a planetary gymnast. Venus is the Simone Biles of the solar system. So the current theory is that at some point in its early history, Venus had a cosmic collision with a massive object. It's like the solar system's own fender bender. Now it's the only planet doing the reverse cha-cha in the solar system's dance-off. 5. Venus that's so bright, it had people reaching for their cosmic tin-foil hats, thinking they'd stumbled upon an unidentified flying object, peeking through the clouds and winking at Earth with a celestial sparkle. This planet is so bright that it had folks pointing telescopes skyward and scratching their heads. The secret sauce behind Venus's radiant glow? A dense cloud of sulfuric acid and carbon dioxide gas, the ultimate cosmic highlighter. It's like Venus went to the celestial beauty parlor and said, "Give me the brightest look you've got." These reflective clouds catch the sun's rays and bounce them back to Earth, making Venus the sparkling diva of the solar system. Venus goes through its own celestial wardrobe changes, showing off crescent, half, and gibbous phases. It's the solar system's brightest headliner, putting on a light show that could rival Broadway. 6. The sizzling secrets of Venus, the planet that's not just hot in the temperature department, but is also throwing its own celestial volcano party. Hold my cosmic marshmallow, I'm going all in. The lava on Venus flows fresher than a cosmic smoothie. And it's not a recent development. We're talking millions of years of non-stop volcanic shindigs. It's like Venus is the solar system's own lava lamp, just grooving with molten rock. Those lava flows on Venus are like the planet's own lava version of a cosmic carpet, covering most of the craters. Now you might be wondering, why the persistent party Venus? Picture Venus as the planet that never stops dancing. It's got volcanic eruptions that could rival a cosmic salsa dance-off, and the lava just keeps flowing like it's doing the cha-cha across the surface. And with fewer craters to cramp its style, Venus is the ultimate lava lounge of the solar system. Imagine a planet that's been throwing the hottest volcanic parties for millions of years. 7. The cosmic tale of Venus, the planet that makes spaceships rethink their life choices. It's like Venus saw the probes coming and said, "You wanted a warm welcome? How about a toasty 880 Dariev?" The atmosphere and surface of Venus are basically the cosmic version of a keep out sign, intolerable to both man and machine. Venus is basically the planet with the ultimate cosmic hug. It's like Venus is saying, if you can't handle the pressure, you're not welcome in my atmosphere. And then there's the atmosphere itself, a delightful mix of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. Imagine a planetary spa where the facials involve corrosive chemicals. It's like Venus is saying, "You wanted a makeover? How about a rust bath?" No wonder Russia's Venus 1 space probe lost contact and NASA's Mariner 1 couldn't even dial home. They probably melted faster than an ice cream cone in the Sahara. But wait, there's more. Temperatures of 880 degree F, where sensitive parts of spacecraft melt faster than a snowflake in a frying pan. And then, in 1966, the Russian Venus 3 decided to land on Venus, a brave attempt that lasted a whopping 2 hours. It's like Venus said, 2 hours is all you get on my turf, and then it's time to blast off. Next time you're sending a probe to Venus, pack some sunscreen, a heat-resistant suit, and maybe a cosmic picnic basket. 8. The cosmic riddle of Venus, the planet that's not just taking its sweet time. It's practically the solar system's slow-motion superstar. It's like Venus saw the cosmic fast lane and said, "Nah, I'll take the scenic route." Picture this, while Earth is doing its 365-day cha-cha around the sun, Venus is in no hurry. It's taking a leisurely 225 Earth days to complete one full orbit. It's like Venus said, "Why rush when you can savor the cosmic journey?" While Earth is doing its 24-hour spin and grin routine, Venus takes a whopping 243 days to complete one rotation. That's right, a day on Venus is longer than a year. Now why the slow-mo show on Venus? Blame it on the sun's gravitational pull. The sun's gravity is like that friend who insists on taking their sweet time on the dance floor. On Venus, a day is longer than a year, and the planet is in no rush to join the cosmic speedsters. 9. The cosmic conundrum of Venus's magnetic field. The planet that's basically the shy guy in the magnetic party. It's like Venus decided to play cosmic hide-and-seek with its magnetic mojo. Earth has a magnetic field, Mars is still figuring it out, and Venus decided to throw a curveball. So what's the deal with Venus's magnetic field? And it showed up with a field so weak, it's practically a celestial whisper. Scientists were expecting a magnetic powerhouse like Earth's, and Venus goes. One possible reason for this cosmic magnetic meekness is that Venus's core is basically living its best molten life, while Earth's core is all about cooling down and getting its magnetic act together. Venus's core is like the eternal hot tub party that just won't quit. Next time you're imagining Venus, picture a planet with a magnetic field so delicate, proving once again that in the cosmic dance of magnetic fields, not every planet follows the same beat. 10. Venus, Earth's long-lost sister, who took a detour to the sauna of the solar system. Let's talk about Venus and its sibling rivalry with Earth, my interplanetary kinfolk. Venus is often called Earth's sister. They share the same size and mass, like the solar system's version of matching outfits. It's like Earth said, "Hey sis, let's be the dynamic duo of the cosmos," and Venus responded with a celestial high five. Billions of years ago, Venus and Earth were like two peas in a cosmic pod, sharing a similar climate and possibly even rocking matching hairstyles. Researchers believe Venus had a vast ocean on its surface, just like Earth. However, Venus, being the rebellious sibling, decided to take a different path. Extreme temperatures, caused by the ultimate cosmic greenhouse effect, turned Venus into the solar system's hottest yoga studio. Who needs oceans when you can have a steam room? Now, Venus's surface is so harsh that supporting life is like trying to grow a garden in a volcano. Venus, the sibling who turned the family mansion into a sauna and dared life to survive. In September 2020, Nature Astronomy published a paper on the discovery of phosphine in the clouds of Venus. Because this substance cannot be produced naturally and must have biological interactions to produce it. In addition, the detector discovered that there are 20,000 urban ruins scattered on Venus, and they are all in dilapidated condition. It was previously thought to be atmospheric interference or instrument failure, but after analysis, it was confirmed that these wheel structures are indeed cities, and there are transportation networks between them. Some scientists speculate that they are left behind by some kind of intelligent creatures. So how did these creatures disappear? Until our next interstellar comedy night, keep laughing. What do you think of this show? Please also leave a message to share with us. If you like the show, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on the show.